learning new things. People are asking you some work, then they're asking you to whether it has happened or not. Proper training is not there, or even if training is there, he has not attended the training program. The happiness of listening to them, right? Most of us want to give the suggestion and listen. People should listen to us. Identity issue, that also may be discussing, right? That is there any possibility to make it better and achieve flow in that? Some reason which is unexpected, I am not able to fulfill my commitment. But people will still love me because I was honest.